Hi folks, you might remember that one of my Christmas presents was this jigsaw puzzle, 1000 Pieces, Battle of Britain. Well, that's the box it came in. The puzzle has now been completed, all 1000 pieces of it, and I'll just show you the finished product as we wander across. Quite big, and there we have the actual jigsaw puzzle that's been completed. Quite a job getting it done, and it's taken several weeks to finish it, but hey ho, something to do while we're struggling with COVID. So that's the jigsaw puzzle, nicely completed. The Lancaster bomber, the Hurricane and the Spitfire returning from a bombing raid, and you can see them flying over the White Cliffs of Dover. Anyhow, that's it for today. Bye now.